My name's Hart, and today I'm doing day in the life of a plumber. So this one it's a complaint, so it's a customer complaint, and I fitted this boiler 12 months ago, and once I fitted it, the customer said it was too noisy, and they actually wanted to reject the boiler. So they wanted us to come and take it out and put a boiler in that were quieter than the one that we fitted. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you this install, and then what I'll do is I'll show you, or I'll try and find some clips of the previous install. So the previous install was quite bad, and the pipework, it wasn't clipped. So I can only assume with this that because we've clipped out pipes, that's what's made the system noisier. I'm not really sure, but what we'll do is go inside now. We'll have a look, and I'll show you the install that we've done, and you can see what you think to it, and give me some feedback, because I'm always open to criticism. So you know, if you feel that we could have done something better, then tell me. Yeah, so let's go and have a look now. So if we look at pipework under this old boiler here, none of it's clipped. It's just been thrown in really. So what we'll do is we'll cut this out, we'll cut this back, we'll get some clips on it, and we'll tidy all this up for a customer so it's all nice and neat. So it's a Baxi Platinum, and it's a 33 combi boiler. So we flushed the system out, we fitted a filter on this system, so we fitted an Omega filter there, and then we've lagged up pipes and put a few clips on gas. So gas didn't have no clips on at all, if I remember rightly. But we'll have a look on the previous video and see, but I don't think it did. So it's all clips now, and I would say it's a fairly neat install, to be honest. So we're here to do a service on this today, but the Baxi Platinum is a fairly noisy boiler. It's got stainless steel heat exchanger, but the boiler we took out also had a stainless steel heat exchanger. So I'll have a look inside now anyway. I'm going to flush this filter out, and we'll take case off. So I've just got my service kit that I use for filters here. So I've just got a washing machine hose which I connect onto the bottom at TF1 Omega. So it's just nice and easy to clean out into a bucket. So this is the boiler on full now, in service mode. So it's not that loud really, and it is in a garage that's away from the house. So you could also hear the flue gas analyzer on that last video. So this is the old boiler that we removed last year. So as we can see there, it also had a stainless steel heat exchanger. So just to summarise what we've done there, I've added a few bits in from when we installed the boiler as well, so that you can see what was in before and what's in now. So customer phoned me up after the boiler was installed, maybe a couple of weeks after, and said that the boiler was noisy. So I went out to that job within 1 hour, and customer said it was noisy. So I also got Baxi out to it. So Baxi came out the day after, and we tested the boiler. We tested it with decibel meter, and it were all within the limits of what it's supposed to be. Sorry about that. So what I'd say is, personally, I don't think we could have done anything differently on this particular job, but I'm not going to run away from a customer complaint, because if you run away from it, it's only going to get worse. So you might as well just answer the phone and go out and see what the issues are and try your best to resolve it. And now from that, I've ended up going back this year and doing the boiler service for them, and the customer's happy. They feel that I did a good install, they just felt that the boiler was quite noisy. But they're happy now. But yeah, if you can give us some feedback below, I'll appreciate it. But always remember just to see what your customers' needs are, and in this case the boiler was in a garage, but if that boiler would have been in an airing cupboard and there's 3 bedrooms around it, then it could have been a different story. We could have ended up taking the boiler out and fitting them a different boiler. So just always be careful what you spec for a customer, just because if they really complained enough, they could ask for the boiler to be changed. So, you know, just be careful what you quote for. And yeah, thanks for watching.